name is Chris Icing with Marno Recipes. Today I got a really kick-ass one for you today. It's cinnamon rolls, and you just buy the old tube cinnamon rolls, the cheapest ones you can find or whatever. And we're going to turn this thing into a cinnamon roll. And it's really simple. You put a little heavy cream over the top of it once you get them set in there, and with some melted butter and brown sugar on top with cinnamon on it. It's freaking delicious. It's a cinnamon roll hack, and I've tried it out personally, and it's the bomb, trust me. So no more having to buy cinnamon. Just go get yourself your cheap ass little cinnamon rolls, and that's it. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is get this paper off the cinnamon roll. Oh, there we go. It already popped. And pull out our cinnamon rolls. This really is a heck of a recipe, I must say. I've had it before, and it's delicious. Let me butter this pan real quick. Okay, once you got buttered up your pan, go ahead and put your cinnamon rolls in the pan. And you can buy the cheapo cinnamon rolls. You don't have to buy the expensive Pillsbury ones or whatever. Cheap ones work just fine. Let's see if we can get this one in the middle here. There we go. Alright, once you got that set up, we move on to the next step, and don't forget to hang on to your icing, because we're going to use that later as well. And we can get rid of this stuff. Okay, go ahead and unwrap your butter, and let's get that melted in the microwave. Okay, once you get your butter out of the microwave and it's nice and melted, then it's time to add your brown sugar to your melted butter. And I'll have all the ingredients listed as usual, so you can refer to them when you need to. But let me get this brown sugar out of here. Alright, go ahead and put the brown sugar in there. And then we're going to put about, well, I don't know, just a couple shakes of cinnamon. And I'll have these ingredients for you. And then a couple of, I think it's about a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. And then give that a nice stir. I'm going to use a fork for this just so we can break this down. There we go. Alright, next we're going to add the heavy whipping cream. And use just enough to cover each cinnamon roll and the size of the bowl here. I'll have the exact measurements for you guys as usual though. That should be enough. And then go ahead and pour over your cinnamon mixture. Or cinnamon, brown sugar and cinnamon, I guess. We'll get that nice and covered. Alright, there we go. And next thing it is to pop it in the oven. Once your oven is preheated at 350, go ahead and put your cinnamon rolls in. And we're gonna let that go for about, I don't know, about 30 minutes or 25 minutes first, and then we'll check it. Alright, it's been about 25 minutes and they're looking about ready to go. So we're going to pull them out here. And we're going to icing them up. Okay, next step is to go ahead and put the icing on it. Well, it's still hot, that way it kind of melts on there real nicely. And then we'll get it plated up here and show you what we got. Alright, we're going to go ahead and plate this up for you guys and let you know what we got. And there's your cinnamon roll. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give you a taste test now. See, it comes out really, really moist, kind of like cinnamon. Good stuff. I hope you guys try this. Wow, that is fantastic. No longer have to buy the cinnamon, just buy the cheapo stuff and hack it up and you're good to go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. I appreciate each and every one of y'all that watch us every week that I put one out. So I appreciate it, and y'all have a great day, and I hope you guys try this hack because it's really fantastic.